Welcome to Technically Explained. In this video, we are going to talk about the must-to-have softwares for online videos. So if you are an online tutor, an online teacher, or a YouTuber, you need to have these softwares installed. The advantage of these softwares are that they are open source, which means that you do not have to pay the developer. You don't even need to register yourself to get these softwares. All you need to do is to have an internet connection, go to the website, download and install it and use it and start using it. So all these softwares are open source. First, for screen recording. For screen recording, I will name two open source softwares that I personally recommend and use. Number one is OBS Studio. In OBS Studio, you can also reduce your noise to a greater level. I have a tutorial in OBS Studio where I have uh, discussed how to reduce noise and how to use OBS Studio. You can check out that tutorial in on my channel. Again, another screen recorder is ShareX. ShareX is very simple to use. Probably not as efficient as OBS Studio, but it is very easy to use. So if you are looking for something that is very easy to use, then you need to go to the ShareX. But if you want uh, a screen recorder that can decrease your noise, that can improve your audio quality, you need to download and install OBS Studio. What about the video editor? OpenShot Video Editor is the open source video editor. Again, you can readily download and install it. Keep in mind that there are other video editors that are better than OpenShot Video Editor, but most of them are paid. For example, Filmora 9 is the best video editor. It is better than the OpenShot Video Editor, but Filmora 9 is not open source. The advantage of this OpenShot Video Editor is that it is open source, so you can readily download and install and use it. Other is for reducing the file size. For example, you are uploading a video or you are sharing your video with your students, or you are a YouTuber, you want to upload your video to YouTube and your video has a large file size. To reduce the file size, you can use the Handbrake software. It is an amazing software where you can reduce your video size to greater extent without losing the video quality. I have Handbrake tutorial on my channel. The title of that video is how to reduce video size, and in that video I have used Handbrake to reduce my video size, and I reduce my video size to greater extent. Other as an extra, you can also use the Zoomit app. Zoomit app is used to enhance teaching experience. It is going to add some extra flavor to your teaching experience. With the Zoomit app, you can zoom in and out. You can add annotations very easily to your online lecture. Again, Zoomit app is also open source, and it is very and its size is very low, so you can easily download and install it. It is probably about 450 KB. So these were all the softwares. For screen recorders, we had OBS Studio and ShareX. For reducing file size, we had Handbrake. For video editing, we had OpenShot Video Editor, and to enhance the teaching experience, we had Zoomit app. Hopefully, you will find this video informative. If you like my video, please kindly subscribe to my channel Technically Explained. Thank you.